Coastal protection. Coastal marshes, mangrove swamps, and other rivine wetlands act as effective storm buffers. Studies have concluded that more than half of normal wave energy is dissipated within the first 3 meters of encountering marsh vegetation such as cod grass. The erosive nature of tide is also dampened by wetland plants because their roots hold soil in place and their stacks reduce destructive energy of waves and wind. So this is a photograph showing unstable shoreline where the roots are being uprooted because of repeated wave attack. This is again another shoreline where the plants are capable of holding the soil together and prevent the erosion. So, in coastal areas, these vegetation play an important role in checking natural disasters and coastal erosion. Role in recharging groundwater varies widely, but it is clear that wetlands often contribute to groundwater and can be important in recharging the aquifer. That means if you allow the rainwater to get stagnated in ponds and lakes, naturally these water in the ponds and lakes slowly gets discharged into local wells. So throughout the year you will be getting water both for drinking and for irrigation. That is what happening in the whole of Peninsular India. If you disturb the system, then you won't get water to drink. That is overdrive of water is another problem that you will see later. Next is Montreux record under Ramsar Convention. Before going into this topic, let us know what is meant by Ramsar Convention. Ramsar Convention. It is a convention by intergovernment. Between governments, they have concluded a treaty, voluntary treaty, to preserve wetlands all over the world. Each country is responsible for preserving its own wetlands. This is first thing. For that, what they have done, in a place called Ramsar, so north of Iran, along the Caspian Sea coast, you have a town by name Ramsar. So all the parties have come together. We call parties, the countries are called parties, have come to that town called Ramsar, where they have signed a treaty to accept and implement the accord. So that is why it is called Ramsar Convention. From then, the method of conserving the wetlands, the technical aspect has been taken up by this Ramsar Accord. So it is an NGO which is overlooking all these jobs. Okay. If the next point in this is that if any of the wetlands in any part of the world, in any country, is under problem or under stress, that will be entered in the register being maintained by the Ramsar. That register is called Montreux record. The record that maintains the names of the wetlands where the wetlands is under crisis, is under problem. For example, in our country, that Manipur lake was under problem. Lamjava lake was under problem. Therefore, it has been entered into the register. After entering the register, that is Montreux record, what they will do? They will periodically come and visit, give advice to local people, local officers to improve the quality of the wetland. Therefore, the record is more important in order to retrieve the Ramsar sites. Okay? It is a register of wetland sites and the list of wetlands of international importance. List of wetlands of international importance. You have to see this term, international importance. And it is important because the UPSC and TNPSC ask question only from the important Ramsar sites. They do not ask question from each and every Ramsar site. They ask question only from the important Ramsar sites of international importance. International importance. Lok Manipur is an important site because of only one thing. It is a hanging lake. The vegetation, the lake is hanging. Therefore, it is called hanging lake, floating lake. Where changes in ecological factors have occurred, are occurring, are likely to occur, a result of technological development, pollution, or other human interference. Currently, 2 wetlands of India are in Montreux record. One is Kyolodiyo National Park, Rajasthan. So, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, it is. The other name for is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So, the problem is that silt has come up into the lake. So, the water holding capacity of the lake has come down. Therefore, it is doing the work to reclaim the lake. Second is Loktak Lake, Manipur. So, this is, I have told you already. So, these are the 2 important Ramsar sites of international importance in India, which is under stress. Earlier, Chilka Lake was in the record. Now, they have done excellent work. That has been rectified. All the problems have been rectified with the help of local people. Further, Chilka Lake was placed in the record, but later removed from it due to successful restoration of the site. This is the next one. International Union for Conservation of Nature. So, this is an international union created to conserve the nature. If any of the species, animals or plants are included in the red list, then it is an indicator that plant or animal is going to disappear soon. Therefore, we need to conserve it. For example, in India, 1972 Act on Wildlife is more important. If we do anything violative of the act, then it is considered as a crime. Therefore, if a plant or animal is included in the red list, doing harm to those animal is considered as a crime. So, these are the things that include in the red list. Butterfly, that is called threatened species. Species whose life is threatened. Okay. So, I have given you enough information on Ramsar wetlands and its entire history. Therefore, I think this is sufficient. So, kindly watch the video and pass on your comments to Rajiv Gandhi Ias Academy. We are here to help you to clear the both prelims and main, UPSC and Group 1. So, use our institute to enter into a good service. Thank you all. Thank you very much.